Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project LED fading using Arduino. So let us see what are the components we require. One breadboard, Arduino Uno, some jumper wire, USB cable, a TSOP IR sensor and a LED. First we will place the TSOP on the breadboard. So this is the TSOP IR sensor. It has 3 pins. This is the output pin, the middle is the VCC and this side on the left is the ground pin. So place the TSOP on the breadboard, then take a LED, connect the cathode on the negative line of the breadboard in this way. Now take some jumper wire, connect the output pin of the TSOP to pin 3 of the Arduino, the LED pin to pin 5 of the Arduino, the VCC pin to pin 3.3 volt of the Arduino, and the ground pin to the negative line. We are making a common ground and take another wire, connect the negative line to the ground of the Arduino. So our assembly is done. Now we will upload the code.
Coding for LED fading using IR remote. First of all, open the Arduino IDE library. So here first we have included the IR remote.hpp, which is the IR library. Then we have created a variable IR receive pin for the TSOP output pin and assigned pin 3 to it. Then we have created the variable for the LED and assigned pin 5 to it. In the word setup, we have written IR receiver.begin IR receive, enable LED feedback. This will start the receiver. Then we have declared the LED as output and we have started the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Now in the void loop, we have written IR receiver.decode, which will receive and decode the received data. Then we have written serial.println IR receiver.decode IR data.decode raw data, hex. So the data that is decoded will be displayed in the hexagonal form in the serial monitor. Now next we have given IR receiver.resume. This will enable the receiver to receive the next data. Now we have given some if condition, that if IR receiver.receive IR data.decode raw data is equal to 0 into F50A7 F580. So this means if the received data, that is the hexagonal data, is F50A7F80, which is the hexagonal data when received when button 1 is pressed in the remote. So whatever button we press in the remote will be received in hexagonal form in the Arduino. So this is the hexagonal form of the button 1 of the remote. So when we press button 1, the LED will glow a little. So we have given analogWrite LED and has set the value to 50. Then we have given if IR receive decode IR data decode raw data equal to 0 in hexagonal value 0 into E41B7F80, which is the hexagonal form of the button 2, and then we have given analogWrite LED 150. So we have increased the brightness, and then we have again give the if condition, that if button pressed is button 3, then the LED will glow the fullest. So we have given the analogWrite value LED as 200. And lastly, we have given that if the power button is pressed, the LED will turn off. So this is the code for LED fading LED. So as we press button 1, the LED will glow a little. When we press button 2, it will increase. So we can increase or decrease the button, the brightness of the LED by pressing the buttons of the remote. So our coding is done. Now click on Tools, select the board as Arduino Uno and the port as COM7, and then click on Upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino.
Output of LED fading using IR remote. So when I press 1, the LED glows little. Press 2, it brightness increase, and press 3, the brightness increase more, and then I can reduce its brightness, and if I press the power button, it turns off. Thank you.